Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your remote control to your SONY KD-43X TV. So generally speaking, you don't have to connect your remote control in any special way. It's working with your TV rights straight out of the box since they are using the infrared connection type. But in case you want to use your voice assistant, which is available by pressing the microphone button on your remote control, you're gonna have to connect your remote to the TV, and in order to do so, you're gonna have to press the connect button and start connecting. So let's press connect and proceed to connect the TV. As you can see, we have to hold down the volume button and the microphone button at the same time. So first of all, hold down the volume down button and then hold down the microphone button for 3 seconds until this icon starts blinking, and after that your TV should connect with your remote control. But in case this isn't happening, so in case you're just holding down the volume down button and then start holding the remote control, the microphone button, and nothing happens, then in such case you just have to remove the back cover of your remote control and replace the batteries with a new ones. This remote control uses 3A battery types. I don't know if you can actually see this for some reason. Camera won't focus. Okay, so AAA batteries. Grab yourself a pair of new ones, then place them inside your remote control, and after that try connecting your remote control once again. So let's press the the microphone button and then press connect, and then hold down the volume down button, and now let's press the microphone button once again. And as you can see, after that this remote control starts connecting, and right now it's connected, and so from now on we can start using our voice assistant by speaking to our remote control. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.